I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This morning I want to share with you the book of Luke chapter 21 and verse 16. This is Jesus speaking. He says, "You will be betrayed even by parents and brothers, relatives and friends, and they will put some of you to death." Oh, my brother, my sister, we are living in the last days where we are seeing people being betrayed even by their own parents. When they turn to the Lord Jesus Christ, when they give their life to the Lord Jesus Christ, when they surrender their lives to the Lord Jesus Christ and become Christians, they are being betrayed even by their own parents. Even your own parents will betray you. And he goes on to say, and brothers, even your own brothers, whether it's your physical brother or even spiritual brother, they will betray you. And he says relatives, family members, betraying you, betraying each other, and friends. My brother, my sister, even your own friends will betray you. You might say, I've got the best friend. We are best friends for life. My brother, my sister, even that best friend will betray you. My brother, my sister, we are seeing people betraying each other because we are living in the last days. Jesus said, you will be betrayed. Not maybe, you will be betrayed. The day that you give your life to Jesus and you start following Jesus and you're no longer doing the things that they are doing, they will betray you. Even your own parents will betray you, my brother and my sister. And they will betray you, and they will mock you, and they will kick you out, my brother and my sister. They will want to have nothing more to do with you. Oh, my brother, my sister, you and I are living in the last days. We are seeing betrayal. Jesus knows exactly about betrayal. You might be saying, Evangeline, I'm facing this betrayal in my life. People are betraying me. Jesus was also betrayed by his own disciples. My brother, my sister, even he was betrayed by his own disciples. His own disciples left him. His own disciples forsook him when they arrested Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane. So my brother, my sister, if you are facing betrayal right now in your life, Jesus Christ knows exactly what you are facing. Jesus Christ knows exactly what you're going through because he faced betrayal in his own life. Peter, the Apostle Peter, betrayed him, denied him 3 times. My brother, my sister, Jesus Christ knows exactly what you are facing if you are facing betrayal in your life.